Okay, so we're here at 7111 Whitaker Avenue here in Van Nuys. Now we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. We're here to check the main line, and we're going to run our camera from the 3-inch clean out located on the left-hand side of the house. We're also going to get up on the roof on the right-hand side of the house and run the camera through the roof vent so we can at least inspect as much of the main line as possible. So right now we have our camera in from the 3-inch clean out on the left-hand side of the house. We're all the way out to the city connection in the street. There's the city sewer flowing by. So we're going to bring the camera back. Now remember, this inspection is based on my opinion, and I look for big problems in the line, like big holes, massive dislocations, big breaks, things like that. So we're looking at the 6-inch clay pipe, and in my opinion this is in pretty good condition. It's nice and clean. As it comes onto the property, it's going to change to a 4-inch clay pipe. Now you can see it's got a little crack in the pipe over there. It's slightly cracked, a little bit of root. Maybe I should locate that spot, eh? Let me locate that anyway. Okay, we've located that 6 feet deep at the property line by the sidewalk in the dirt areas. It's a little cracked over there. Definitely got some roots coming in, but it is functioning though. As we come back from here, 4-inch clay pipe looks pretty fair condition. Slight little crack in the line. See, these little cracks, these surface cracks and stuff, that's very common. You're going to find that pretty much wherever you go. Like I said, we're looking for big problems in the line. Otherwise, the sewer line is functioning very good. The camera went through very easily. We always recommend that you never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that.
That's where the right-hand side ties in.
That's where the right-hand side ties in, right over there, underneath the driveway, and then it comes back from here with a clay pipe. It all looks pretty good. Oh, this is actually, it looks like APS.
No, it's clay.
Clay pipe, yeah. All clay pipe, it's very clean. Remember, we have this end of a line clean out over here, just in the case you do have a problem or blockage or anything. Comes back to some cast iron piping. It takes a couple of little turns over here. Comes back with cast iron. It's got a little bit of rust build-up. Doesn't look too bad so far. I mean, you can see the paper. That's why I always recommend only toilet paper. It's a little rough, the pipe. But there's no breaks or anything like that we could see or anything. I mean, it's functioning. Just got to be very careful what you flush down the toilets. It's very important. This pipe's getting a little old, but it appears to be still in fair condition. Okay, so here it comes out of this clean out here on the side of the house. We're going to pause the recording and run our camera through the roof vent. Okay, so I'm running the camera now from the roof vent. As a 3-inch roof vent for the right-hand side of the house. The pipe obviously exits in 2 places on this house. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea to put an end-of-a-line clean out from underneath the house to the outside, like you have one here on the left-hand side. We've got our camera in the line. We're all the way out, way into the 4-inch clay pipe. As we bring the camera back, it's all in pretty decent condition. A little crack over here that we've seen before. I don't foresee that as a problem, for at least now. This all looks pretty good. You can see the water's flowing very well. So everything looks pretty fair condition. There's no major problems in the clay pipe outside. That's where the two sewers joined together outside, and this is now coming back strictly for the right hand side of the house here. As it comes over here and becomes a 3-inch cast iron pipe. It's obviously getting a little old, but it appears to be in fair condition. Like I said, you should definitely not flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have an end of a line clean out installed over here, the end of this line. As it comes up the roof vent now. So everything's functioning pretty good. We'll give you a couple of recommendations. It's very important that you don't flush what I told you. And here we're going to come up out of the vent pipe here on the roof, and we'll stop the recording over here.